Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now, the ultimate Gyptian. Well, that may enough people call her Kyhighlah, the girl where tend to go through a lot of celebrities and always come out and expose them. Now, today, one more got exposed, and this time we are talking about Gyptian. So apparently Gyptian did in our DMs, look like him actually look some grind, and that like from about in May of last year. It seems as if some of Kyhighlah fans them link her to Gyptian live, where Gyptian I say some distasteful things about her. I say she no look good, she no shape good. Is it? He must say Gyptian I say film thing would have never turn up for Kyhighlah. Is it? But me I gonna make you watch, like and subscribe. As usual, we are trying to put out the videos them daily. You see me? So tell me what you think. Kyhighlah, I don't know her man, but she have a reputation for just go for straight celebrities, and for some reason all I celebrity them then just ever get catch. You see it? Unless AI and she expose them like with AI, but I don't think so, yeah man. So celebrities gonna watch out because Kyhighlah is on the loose.
Nobody in a fool. I've seen Snipe, me see somebody come and say him over there talk about him, talk about me. Me say talk about me. Me say talk about me.
Germs, yeah. You can never get my penis. All if you're the last woman on the earth, you could have never get my penis. Never ever get my body. You're ugly. Your shape bad. And you know what, even fuck up your personality. Look for you now, me just from my life, right? Like you're hype, drunk, because I know that you like. Germs. Make it up on my life when you come put up. He's a woman beater. Who shags Veronica. Who is Veronica? Who is Veronica? Look how I'm ugly and stay, I'm rough. I'm still a creator buzz.
I'm confused. I'm really confused.
Suppose very good looking. And this little stinking, dirty, blood clad girl that come from my life. We feel like me have handbrakes. I have no handbrakes to nobody. Nobody at all. It's a lie. It's a social media. Wrong my pan.
Guys, the man say you antagonize popcorn. You antagonize this person, you antagonize that, you antagonize this. I'm really confused for true. And since night somebody come and say, guys, you not hear what the man say, you antagonize popcorn, and you antagonize this, and you antagonize that. I'm really confused.